heading to Phnom Kulen, which is a large waterfall in the Kulen Mountains. And we are traveling by motorcycle today. So if you see this video, it's because I survived my first time on a motorcycle, so wish me luck. Phnom Kulen. It's really hot, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and jump in.
Yeah.
The fish keep biting me. Going for a little swim. Swimming in waterfalls. I don't know if it gets better than this. Obsessed with this place. Incredible. So amazing. The water's cold. Lots of fish. But oh my god, what a feeling. Wow, I just had such an amazing swim in Phnom Kulen in the waterfall. I can't believe I was the only person swimming. I guess it's a little bit early, which is actually a tip. If you can get here early, then you'll be the only one in the waterfall. And there's no feeling like it. It felt so free. It was so refreshing. I came here, it was an hour and 20 minutes, coming up the mountain on a motorcycle. It was actually my first time on a motorcycle. So I survived and I loved it. It was such a great feeling traveling through the beautiful countryside on a motorcycle and up the mountains. I think my legs are permanently sore because I was like gripping on so tight to make sure I didn't fall off. You have an extra day in Siem Reap. Not many people come here, and I'm shocked because it's such an incredible spot. You're in the middle of the mountains, you've got a beautiful waterfall. If you want to understand and feel what Cambodia is truly like with all the rural areas and its natural beauty, I definitely recommend coming to the Kulen Mountains. And definitely bring a swimsuit and towel because you're going to want to take a dip. One more day of Cambodia. I can't wait to finish off my time here and head to Vietnam tomorrow. So stay tuned. If you like this video and you like the Phnom Kulen, please click like and subscribe, and I can't wait to show you more